The three-step Pixel update. It's not just one tap. Keeping your Pixel or other Android smartphone safe is easy when you know the secret. Let me show you how. A truly secure phone takes 3 distinct steps. Most people think updating is just one tap. To be fully secure, it's actually a simple 3-step routine. Treat your phone like a standard car tune-up. We are going to check the main engine, post the security guard, and polish the exterior. Step 1 is upgrading your main engine. Android system update. Just like a car needs a strong engine to run safely on the highway, your phone needs its core system updated to run smoothly. Where to check your engine? Tap System Update to check your engine. Step 2 posts a silent security guard. Google Play System Update. This is the hidden step most people miss. It acts as a silent security guard, keeping bad actors out behind the scenes. Where to post your guard? Settings, and then go all the way down to where it says Google Play System Update. You might need to check this a few times, and a quick phone restart is perfectly normal. Step 3 adds the final paint and polish. App updates. Now that the engine and locks are secure, we need to make sure the apps you touch every day look great and run perfectly with the new system. Where to polish your apps? Open the Google Play Store app, then click on your image, then select Manage Apps and Devices, and then select Update All. Almost done. Let's get everything polished. Your digital life is completely secure and ready to go. By taking these 3 simple steps, you have fully protected your phone. Stay safe online. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.